Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's beginner class will be on how to half double crochet. Today I'll be using a 4mm hook and a weight 4 yarn. First we're going to start off with a slip knot. To learn how to slip knot and chain, check out my latest video in my Crochet Basic series, How to Chain, linked above. To begin half double crocheting, we're going to start in the third loop, skipping the first and second loops, acting as a chain 2. Yarn over once, go through the third loop, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. You should begin to have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and make sure to pull through all 3 loops. Now you have your first half double crochet. Here's another example. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through again. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. Here you can see each individual stitch. The top of your stitch should visibly resemble a V shape. Once again, continue yarning over, pulling through the loop, yarning over again, pulling through, making sure to have 3 loops, yarning over, and going through each of the 3 loops. Here is how a finished row of half double crochets should look like. To continue with the second row, yarn over and pull through the first loop. Now you have your first chain. Yarn over again and pull through for a total of 2 chains. Now we're going to yarn over and complete a half double crochet on the next stitch after the chain 2. Start by yarning over, pulling through the next stitch, yarning over again, pulling through, still having 3 loops on your hook, yarning over, and pulling through each of the 3 loops. Now you have the start of your second row. Now let's practice for one more time. Yarning over, pulling through, yarning over, 3 loops, yarning over, and pulling through each of the 3 loops. And we're done! Here is how your half double crochet should look. Chaining 2 helps each row to remain smooth and neat, and it helps retain its height and shape. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!